Hey, it's Alex from Draft. In this video, I will show you everything you can do with the Draft Jira integration. First, I'll show you how to add Jira issues to a draft. Then, how to create Jira issues from Draft. And finally, how Jira issues fields are synchronized between Draft and Jira. To sum up, this integration will allow you to use your Jira data in a more visual and collaborative workspace. But before moving on, I'd like to start the video by showing you how this integration can enhance your workflow with a few use cases you might be interested in. You can use Draft to refine your backlog, for example, by mapping it with a user story mapping. Also, you can use Draft to visualize the workflow of several teams in parallel, and you can therefore better identify dependencies and prevent bottlenecks, like in this PI planning board or program board example. In addition to that, you can communicate your team workflow to non-tech colleagues more visually and interactively, like in this Scrum Board example. Now, let's see how we can add Jira issues to a draft. There are two ways of doing it. First, you can just copy-paste the link of the Jira issue on Draft and then transform it into a Jira card. Once the Jira integration has been set up, all the Jira issues you have access to with your account on your Jira instance are directly accessible from Draft. Also, you can pick the Jira issues you want to add from the Jira panel. You can filter the list by project, issue type, status, or priority. You can also enter a JQL request. Let's move on and see how we can create Jira issues from Draft. First, you can create a Jira issue from the Jira panel. You just have to click on the Create Jira Issue button, select a project, an issue type, and define a summary. As an option, you can also define an assignee or a priority. Furthermore, you can create Jira issues by transforming text items into Jira cards. To do so, select the text items you want to transform and click on Turn into Jira cards. The feature allows you to create new Jira issues from Draft. Here you can select the project, rewrite the summary, and define an assignee or priority. To finish, let's see which fields can be synchronizable between Draft and Jira. In this first Jira card, you can see the issue type, the issue key, the status, the summary, a label, the active sprint, story points or story point estimate, an assignee, and a priority. And then, when you extend the card, in the overlay a description and an epic link. On the second card, you can see that you can also add issue links, that is to say, the dependencies with other cards. We've exhaustively listed all synchronizable fields in the Help Center. Some fields are editable from Draft, but others are not. And despite those fields being synchronizable in both directions, you may need to refresh Draft to update some of them. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Keep in mind that we have the expertise to implement tailor-made integrations on demand. That's all for this video. Thank you for your attention and see you soon on Draft.